Everybody, in this tutorial, we will show you how to connect Salesforce with Drop Cowboy Ringless voicemail. You're going to do this by going to Zapier.com, search the apps, type in Salesforce. Once you type in Salesforce, you're going to scroll down and you're going to type in the secondary app, which is going to be Drop Cowboy. Choose Drop Cowboy. Once you're here, it's going to show you a trigger and an action step. The trigger is going to be what happens within Salesforce that is going to actually trigger a ringless voicemail from Drop Cowboy. Drop Cowboy is always going to be the secondary step with any integration that we have. So from here, you can go down and click that. It'll provide you with a couple of options in order to trigger a ringless voicemail. So you're going to choose one of those options that fit your need. And then it's actually going to trigger a ringless voicemail. And you can set up all the different recordings within Drop Cowboy itself, and we will provide you with a drop down of what recording and action step you want to do from there.